Welcome back, readers. It is time to get started on our auditory drill. Welcome back, readers. It is time to get started on our visual drill, just like we do in school and just like we did last week on our video lesson. I'm going to show you a picture of a card, a letter card, and your job is to tell me just the letter's sound. If you need to say the special keyword or the letter's name first to help you remember its sound, that's okay. Also, if the video is going too fast, you can pause it so you have time to think about each letter's sound. Here we go. Tell me just the sound. A. X. B. V. Make sure that your lips and your teeth meet. They come together when you say this letter. Watch me. V. Am. Ch, ch. D. This is a tricky one. If you need to pause, go ahead. The sound is just ank. H. E. L. An. K. Like sock. Remember, when we say this letter sound, our mouth is closed and our lips touch, like this. Ink. J. K. Onk. Sh. Sh. Unk. All. Another one. V. I. W. S. Wait a minute. I'm picturing this letter making another sound. What other sound can this letter make? Nice job. S can make the sound S, or it can make the sound Z. Nice job. Ang. G. Ing. N. Ong. Qu. Ah. Y. W. T. Ung. Z. K. And that's it. Now job number 2 has a green check mark. Same with job number 1. And when I see you in the next video, we're going to practice our auditory drill or the listening drill. See you soon. Keep up the hard work.